Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back for another video in the Viewer Dogs World. Today, we got the Galaxy Buds Live in front of us. We've had an opportunity to experience what it's like to have the Galaxy Buds on a daily basis compared to the original Galaxy Buds, right? Now, the Galaxy Buds Lives are a new creation by Samsung. I remember when Samsung first started to innovate with the Galaxy Note. I'm talking about the original Galaxy Note. Once that started, Samsung took off. And then after a while, the past 3 or 4 years, Samsung started to taper off to the point where now there's no real innovation at all. So Samsung must have thought, let's do something different. Let's innovate on the earbuds, right? And I'm telling you, they did a great job with these. These are the Galaxy Buds Live, right? And I thought they did an awesome job with the design. But when I seen them for the first time, I was like, wow, first of all. Second of all, are these going to be able to fit in my ear? More so than anything, will they be able to fit in everyone's ear? And if so, how? These are the Galaxy Buds, right? They're a lot smaller than your traditional buds, right? But they have this bean-shaped look that most people talked about. Now, for me, I like something different, something new, something fresh. If you've been watching my videos, you know that. And Samsung, I have to say, knocked this out of the park so far as design is concerned. But I'm also here to tell you that Samsung still has a lot of work to do. Now, my experience with the Galaxy Buds have been nice for the most part. I've really enjoyed them. I like the overall look of the case. It has an elegant look compared to the Galaxy Buds, right? Which these look nice. This is actually the Galaxy Buds Plus, which I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below if you want these. And these two are pretty much going to probably be on sale. I'm going to leave a link for the Galaxy Buds Lives as well. The holidays are coming up. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, so you got Black Friday is here, right? So with that being said, yes, these are a lot different from the Galaxy Buds. I like the case. I like how you open up and you pull out your super peel to put in your ear, right? And I thought it was pretty creative from Samsung, right? Now, I got this color simply because it matches my Galaxy Note Ultra, right? And the color looks absolutely beautiful. It's not that jet black look. It has that gunmetal black look that looks absolutely awesome. Has a nice premium look and feel to it. Now, the battery life is pretty decent on the Galaxy Buds Live. Now, I haven't had any problems with it. I pretty much get the same type of battery life that I would get off of the Galaxy Buds, right? And that's going to be about almost 6 hours, not quite 6 hours all the time. Sometimes it'll cut off at 5 hours, right? At 5.5. Really depends on how I'm using them, what I'm listening to at the time. And everything I listen to is streaming. So I'm always streaming YouTube videos. I'm always streaming podcasts. So I'm always streaming something. So I don't know if that has an effect on the Galaxy Buds. Now, I said that you're going to get up to 21 hours of time off of the Galaxy Buds. What I like about the Galaxy Buds compared to the Galaxy Buds, the original, is that these charge up, I believe, a lot faster than the original Galaxy Buds, which is cool. So if you want to take these and put these back in your ear after 30 minutes, you're pretty much good, right? For, I'm thinking, at least an hour more of listening, which is definitely a good thing. So for me, I only use one bud 90 something percent of the time. The only time I use the earbuds is when I'm doing work in the yard. So I'm not always listening to my music. I'm listening to podcasts, news, watching videos at work. So therefore, I don't use both, right? But if you did use both of them and you wanted to wear these things like all day, then I'm saying you're going to get anywhere between 4 to 5 hours on them on a consistent. I'm not talking about you take these things out, you put them down on a consistent basis, which means that they're always in your ear and they're always continuously on. That's the way I use my earbuds. That's the way I use my smartphone. I'm very excessive. I be battery life up to the max, right? So overall, I do like it. I like the design. I like what Samsung came with this. Now, one thing that I don't like, and we're going to go ahead and get into the gripes of this, right? The ambient noise. Now, the ambient noise does not bother me to that degree. Now, I was outside doing the yard, and I've seen some videos, and a lot of people are talking about how the noise from the outside protrudes in. I didn't have that problem, probably because I listen to my music up loud, right? But I still get great quality, I get great sound, and I can't say that I have any gripes about that. But what I do have gripes about is that when you're wearing these earbuds, right? And I think this is probably Samsung's biggest downfall with the Galaxy Buds Live is that you can hear the music and it really makes no difference on the volume to a degree. So if you got it at medium volume, you're still going to be able to hear this outside of the earbuds, which can be irritating to the person you're sitting next to. So now you have to consider where you're going, where you at, and who you're around. And if you don't want to disturb nobody, then the Galaxy Buds Live you don't want to wear at those times. Me, I'm in a place or I work in an environment where I'm by myself the majority of the time. I'm not surrounded by a lot of people at all. Even at home, I'm in the yard, or if I'm listening to it, I'm upstairs. So that's not a problem for me, but it may be a problem for you. Now, the other thing is that these earbuds are slippery, right? So if you're not careful with picking these things up, you can drop these in the toilet, you can drop them in a puddle of water, and or you can lose these. So do not take this one bud and put it in your pocket because you're too lazy to take it out, take your case out and put it back in the case because these are very easy to lose. Now, they come with extra tips, right? These have seemed to be been working for me. I may try the other tips out later, but you get an extra set of tip with these. I believe you get 3 mics on these. So the phone quality sound was pretty good. I haven't had any issues with talking to my wife. She said they sound pretty good. So that was a good deal. But the sound quality on the Galaxy Bud Lives are actually pretty nice. I'm a bass guy, so I like bass in my music, and I think they have better bass than what you're going to get on the Galaxy Buds, whether it be the Plus, whether it be the Galaxy Buds, the original. These have nice bass, and of course, it comes with an equalizer for you to tweak your music however you see fit, which was pretty cool. Now, where it gets interesting, right? Is what I found if I got these buds in my ear and I'm reaching to put something up, what happens is now the music is no longer clear. It's distorted now because now it's not, for whatever reason, flushed in my ear. I can reach up, I can reach down. Depending on which way I move, it interrupts my music, which is irritating at times, especially considering how many times that happens. Because now you have to take your finger and you have to push it in. When you do that, because of the Galaxy Buds Live are so sensitive, now it cuts the earbuds off, and that can be irritating to a lot of people. Is that a deal breaker for me? No, it's not a deal breaker. I've just learned to get used to it. First off, it's brand new. Second of all, I like things that are innovative. I like things that are different. So whether I pay for them or not, I would have kept these. Now, the other thing I don't like is like when I go to tap, I can tap one too many times and then it just simply just either won't skip or it skips more than one song or it just simply just cuts it off, right? And I'm like, but all in all, I did have a great experience with them. These gripes that I just got to sharing with you, I didn't see this coming because with the original Buds, right, you don't have that problem. You tap, that's it. It goes to the next track. You double tap, it goes to the next track. You swipe, it goes to the volume. These are a horse of a different color, right? So there's gonna be a decision that you're gonna have to make based off of these Buds. Galaxy Buds Lives compared to any other buds in the market. And one thing that I really don't like, if I was to say what was my biggest gripe, is going to be the music protruding because I don't want people to hear what I'm listening to, and I don't want to disturb people that I'm sitting next to, especially if I'm on a bus or if I'm on a plane and I got passengers sitting next to me. I think that's I have to respect the person that I'm sitting next to. So all in all, I did enjoy them. I like the design of these buds. But one thing that I do like, I got to tell you this one, right? Now, one thing that I thought was pretty cool is when you put these in your ear, right? They look pretty nice compared to the Galaxy Buds, right? They look pretty nice. And if I look at you straight on, you can barely tell that I got this in my ear. So I thought Samsung actually did an awesome job with the design and the aerodynamics of these earbuds in the ear. They look really good. They look nice. The color is awesome. And I'm definitely liking this case. But the question is, at the end of the day, what buds are going to be good for you, right? Is it going to be the Galaxy Buds? Is it going to be the Galaxy Buds Live, which are new, which are on sale? I think you can get these on sale for I believe $139. I am not sure. I will be leaving a link in the description box down below for you guys to go check this out. My wife got the red. I have the black, but I don't have the Galaxy Buds Plus. She says she likes these, so she's got both of them. She can't really tell the difference. She just wanted the red ones, right? And the Galaxy Buds Live. Now, these, I'm not sure of how much they're going for, considering that Black Friday is coming up. Again, I will leave a link in the description for these as well. But which one would you choose? First off, you got to consider how the music protrudes out of the Galaxy Buds Live. You got to consider the sensitivity of the earbuds and also the charging. Now, the charging, you're going to get more of a charge on this one than you will on this one. But the sound quality, to me, is a little bit better on the Galaxy Buds than they are on the Galaxy Buds Live, but you get better bass on the Galaxy Buds Lives than you do on the Galaxy Buds. Now, I have not tried the Galaxy Buds Plus yet, so you might want to try that. Again, both of these should be on sale as of right now. The link will be in the description box. All right, you all, listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know which one you're going to choose. Are you going to get the Galaxy Buds Plus, the Galaxy Buds, or are you going to get the Galaxy Buds Live? All right, you all, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Make sure you smash that notification bell so you can get notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And whatever you do, do not forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you all again at the next video. Enjoy life, have some fun, social distance, and please you all, COVID-19 is on the rise, 160,000 a day. Be safe. I want to see you again at the next video. Take care.